what is this video about? This video is about the chapter number system. And in number system, the first topic which we have already studied in standards 5th, 6th and 7th, but to revise it, we have a number line, right? On a number line, as you know, there is an origin. On the right side, there are all positive numbers, and on the left side, they are all negative numbers. So let us study something more from this number line. From the origin, if you imagine you start walking to the right on the number line, all the numbers which you have are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. All these are positive numbers. I am not talking about the origin. I am not talking about 0. I am talking about the countable numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. And these countable numbers, now you will understand, are called as natural numbers. Understood what are natural numbers? Countable numbers. When you stand at 0, imagine you are standing at 0 on the number line. Is 0 a countable number? Can you count 0? Show me 0 persons. You cannot count. But with 0, when you take all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity with 0 together as a set, they are called as whole numbers. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. Is that clear? Now, on this number line, again if you imagine that you are standing at 0 and you go to the left, what do you have? You have -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. Correct? So, these are the negative numbers. Now, the main part. 0 itself, all the positive numbers and all the negative numbers on the number line, they are called as integers. So is it clear so far? What we studied under number system? First, natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. Third, integers. Keep watching our next video because we are coming with something as important as rational numbers and irrational numbers. So friends, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment and tell us how you found this lesson. Keep watching, take care and thank you.